Hi viewers, welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. Hope you are all well. So previously we discussed various problems regarding various Olympiad examinations. Today we are going to discuss important problem and very easy when compared with the regular syllabus. So what is our question now? So the topic is nothing but, first of all, it is related to algebraic identities. You know very well the algebraic identity is nothing but which is related to your polynomials. There are various algebraic identities. Next, this is a question: determine the value of 83 plus 17 cube by 83 into 66 plus 17 square. This is a expression to be simplified to get the value. Okay. So what is our heading now? Simplification made easy. So before starting this problem, the beginners of the IIT Foundation students, what they are going to do with their basic knowledge of regular syllabus, 83 cube nothing but 83 into 83 into 83, and here it is 17 cube nothing but 17 into 17 into 17. Next they will do the product and 17 square. So finally that is the answer. So in general it will be taking much time and it is very tedious. So this expression can be evaluated by using the concept called algebraic identities without doing the cubes, squares, adding, multiplications, etc. Okay. So let us start our problem how to proceed. So given our expression is nothing but 83 cube plus 17 cube by 83 into 66 plus 17 square. So by seeing the numerator, it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So we are going to apply our algebraic identity called a cube plus b cube. So we have a cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b of a square minus ab plus b square. It is not a plus b whole cube, it is a cube plus b cube. So a plus b of a square minus ab plus b square. We have here a is equal to 83 and b value is nothing but 17. So let us apply for the numerator. So therefore I can write it as 83 cube plus 17 cube by 83 into 16 plus 17 square. Now this can be written as, the numerator we are going to apply the a cube plus b cube nothing but here 83 plus 17. So a plus b part is completed. Next a square, a is 83, so 83 square minus 83 into, here it is b is 17 because ab 83 into 17 plus b square nothing but 17 square by 83 plus 17. Sorry, by here it is, the remaining part is 83 into 66 plus 17 square. Now 83 plus 17 gives you what? 100 into, here if you observe carefully, in these two terms I can take 83 as common, so that I can write 83 of, what is left over here? 83 minus 17 only from these two terms plus 17 square. By here it is 83 into 66 plus 17 square. Now the next step, 100 of, I can write it as 83 into 83 minus 17 gives you 66 plus 17 square by 83 into 66 plus 17 square. So just I have been done the substitution. So that is the remaining part. If you observe carefully, 100 into this one, the same, 83 into 66 plus 17 square, the denominator also the same. Since the operation is multiplication, so the number itself cancelled, the leftover is nothing but, here we are going to get the answer as century. So you know very well what in by century or 100. So in this way we can go our problem. So what we have done here, we have been applied to do the problem a cube plus b cube as a plus b into a square minus a plus b square. We have been applied our algebraic identity. Next, numerator we simplified, and coming to our part, only we have taken this as common to get the same denominator, and later the same term has been cancelled. After subtraction and simplification, the leftover is nothing but 100. So this is a problem. So by seeing this problem, in generally don't go for a 83 cube and next 17 cube, go on adding, multiplying and 17 square, next adding and dividing. That is a tedious process. So even though it is connected to with your 9th class syllabus in the CBSE and SSC, so go for algebraic identity for some problems and overcome the anxiety and curiosity, whatever it may be. In this way, we can proceed our problem using the algebraic identity, and which plays very important role this type of problems for your various Olympiad examinations and competitive examinations what you are writing in your school level and your college level. So hence now I can write it as hence 83 cube plus 17 cube by 83 into 66 plus 17 square gives you the answer here, nothing but 100. So in this way we can overcome the anxiety of the student, anxiety of the problem, and we can simplify very easily. So please viewers, after watching my video, I hope so you are enjoying all my videos, different videos which are connected with your competitive examinations. These videos are not only for the competitive examination in school and college level, also very important for your SSC, RRB, Central Government Job Examinations, and DSC, TET and IBPS, SI, Constable, etc. In that examinations also we can expect this type of questions. Okay, so after watching my video, please like, share, subscribe our S Square Maths YouTube channel. Thank you.